Generally speaking, it is easier for men to lose weight than women, but also pay attention to the methods and techniques. 1. Burning calories quickly. Start a circuit training regimen. Circuit training is a combination of workouts designed to work every major muscle in your body. The quick switching between exercises gets your heart rate up higher than most other workout regimens, which in turn burns a lot more calories. Start a circuit training regimen to burn more calories faster and help lose weight. Sprinting, unlike distance running, involves running as fast as you can for a short distance. This workout gets your heart rate up quickly and is an ideal workout to shed fat quickly. The explosive motion of sprinting will also sculpt your legs and abs, while simultaneously increasing your endurance and lung capacity. Start strength training. Most people think that endurance training is the only workout that will help you lose weight, but strength training is very important too. For starters, weight training boosts your metabolism, so you'll burn more calories in the hours after a strength workout. Vary your workout. You may be working out regularly but not seeing the kinds of results you'd like. In fitness, this is called a plateau. Your body has gotten used to the exercises you're doing, and they're not having a noticeable effect anymore. Draw a completely new workout schedule to revamp your fitness regimen. Be conscious of increased risk of injury. Though you may be eager to start shedding pounds as soon as possible, if you are obese, a BMI of 30 or higher, or have not exercised much in the past year, jumping right into an intense exercise regimen can lead to injury, which could derail your efforts to get fit. Be careful not to do too much too soon. 2. Keeping weight off with diet. Stay well hydrated. Besides all the other health benefits of drinking water, it will also help keep your metabolism up. Eat plenty of protein. While protein is important for building muscles, it also helps keep your metabolism high. Eat good fats. Heart disease is the #1 killer of men in the United States, and diets high in saturated fats and cholesterol are a chief contributor to heart disease. Include iron in your diet. Iron deficiency will slow down your metabolism, so you'll want to get plenty of this nutrient in your diet. Some good sources of iron are shellfish, red meat, lentils, beans, and spinach. Eat complex carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are important for a diet geared towards building muscle. Without carbs, your body will burn protein for energy, which means that the protein won't go towards building your muscles. Add spices to your meals. Spicy foods like chili peppers give your metabolism a short boost right after eating. Eat lean meats. Although men usually love a good steak, red meat is not the best choice for your health. Satisfy your meat craving with lean meat like poultry, and keep red meat down to 3 servings per week. Count your calories. It's very important to keep track of your calories to avoid overeating. Make sure to read all food labels and write down everything you eat. Avoid crash dieting. Some people think that eating very few calories every day will help them lose weight. While you'll probably see some weight loss from this, it is overall counterproductive. 3. Keeping weight off with lifestyle. Wait 20 minutes after eating to go for another serving. Avoid eating out often. Move consistently throughout the day. Staying idle will slow your metabolism, and you won't burn calories as efficiently. Get plenty of sleep. Lack of sleep will slow down your metabolism, as well as boosting your appetite. Cut down on alcohol intake. The classic beer belly is a real problem for many men. Alcohol contains a lot of calories, which can lead to fat accumulation around the stomach.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.